Twin brothers and 11-year-old sister shot by a gunman in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 3 people said to be relatives were shot and killed by a gunman in Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday night. The victims, according to sources, are 19-year-old twin brothers and an 11-year-old girl said to be their sister. Reports are that at around 7:30 p.m., the 3 persons were at home in Irwin Heights, St. James, when armed men forced their way inside the house and opened fire, hitting them multiple times. The police were summoned to the location, and upon their arrival, the bodies were found discovered in what appears to be gunshot wounds. The police are continuing their investigation and so far not established a motive for this latest shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.